Hello guys, and welcome to another house to home video. I know I look a little crazy right now, but today's gonna be a fun video. Today we are planting all of the bulbs that I've been hoarding for the last couple of weeks. It is November 6th, and so in my gardening zone, the best time to plant bulbs is after Halloween and kind of like in December. But I'm gonna be planting them all over the front and the back garden. I need to do a lot of cleanup too, so I'm gonna take you with me. All right, before I go ahead and plant all the bulbs, I have a lot of garden cleanup to do. So I have all of these annuals, coleus. They will not last in our winter. I don't know about the angelonia. They're out of bloom, but I don't think they'll last. I'm not sure about this either, but I love the way that it looks. Then I have some here. Also, in terms of the hostas, I kind of want to dig them up and put them in the backyard. I want to make this all nice and clear. So I'm going to do a lot of garden cleanup first before I go ahead and add in all of the bulbs. Kind of went a little crazy when it came to the tulips. So I have like 4 bags of tulips. I'm not going to plant all of them in the ground. Some of them are going to go into containers. But I have this one called Tulip Blushing Apple Dorn. I grew parrot tulips last year and they were so pretty, so I picked up some more. Strawberry Swirl. These are creamy white petals with vibrant pink. Double tulips called Stop It I'm Blushing. It's a mixture of white, pink, and purple. Double late tulips called Double Surprise. They're Tulip Angelique and Tulip Blue Diamond. Fringe tulips called Snow Crystal. Vera Verdiflora tulips called Greenland. Darwin Hybrid Mixed Colors, which are pink, red, yellow, and then a mixture of pink and yellow. Tulip Happy Generation in Oxford. These are so stunning. I think I want to put these in the back. 15 of these pink Darwin Hybrid tulips. These are going in the front. Darwin Hybrid tulips. These are called Cocoon. I did pick up a bag of like a mixture. So this is a mixture of tulips, daffodils, and hyacinths, and this one is called the Fragrant Collection. I'm actually gonna put these, I think, in a container. These are so pretty. I also picked up some daffodils. I'm not a big daffodil lover, so I picked up ones in the colors that I think I would like. I don't know if I'm really gonna like the yellow and the white ones. They kind of remind me of ducks. So I picked up this one called Daffodil Replete. I have no idea. Replete, I don't know. But it is white with like a peachy inside, and I thought these were really pretty. So these are going in the front as well. Luciana. And these are really pretty. And then I picked up 2 more packages of hyacinths, and these are just pink hyacinths. These are called Jan Bow. So the first allium that I got is the Gladiator allium. These are the most beautiful alliums. They get 32 to 48 inches tall. These are the ones that look like the Lorax type of flowers. Next, I picked up some allium purple sensations. These look very similar, but these are only 28 to 32 inches tall, and these bloom in late spring, whereas the gladiators will bloom mid to late spring. Then I also found these alliums at Pike Nursery. These are called Allium Giganteum. These have really large softball sized flowers. They bloom early summer, and they get 34 to 36 inches tall. And it doesn't say how big the blooms are, but they look pretty similar to the other ones. So technically I got 4 different types of alliums. And then I grew these last year. These are the allium ping pong. These are white. I had a whole entire bag of crocus and some more daffodils. So this is the crocus botanical mix. It is so pretty. It is purple and yellow and white. I also got some of these daffodil mix. So these were $14.98, but I got these 50% off. So got a little bit more of the daffodil double pink. So 12 of these. And welcome back to another video. I'm in my very messy garage, and my task today is to completely clear and organize my garden section to get ready for the garden year. I feel like I just finished the garden season and it's already starting. So it is time to start utilizing this space. When I'm not utilizing the grow lights, I typically will use this area for storage. So you see all like the seed starting kits just like sitting there. But I actually need to start some seeds today actually. So I need to just clean everything out. There's like cobwebs. I also need to sterilize all of the seed starting containers with like washing them out. And then I have all of this. So I have leftover bulbs. I need to go through it. And I got some containers to house all of my soil. So that way I don't have it just like in one long continuous row. I can kind of organize it and keep it up in a way until I actually need it. And then I'm also going to be seed starting. So I have a lot of jugs that I'm going to use for winter sowing over here. And then I have like the soil that I'm going to use for that. So we're going to do that after I clean up everything. And I need to go through here and get things out of my wheelbarrow. So technically I don't need a coffee, but I'm going to get a coffee. Perfect.
Hi friends, how are you doing today?
My phone has died, but this area looks so good already. I'm so excited. I'm gonna run upstairs and get my phone charger because now it is time to clean up this area. I'm just sweeping as I go just because that's the easiest thing rather than trying to separate everything out. Okay, everything was going good until I found a dead frog, lizard type of animal. So I'm gonna pull out the big guns, aka the vacuum cleaner, and clean up all the cobwebs and stuff. I'm not moving this and doing this myself. Mentally, I don't have the capacity for that. Okay, this mystery animal creature will not come up with the other attachment, so I'm going to use this big attachment and get to work. I'm almost done. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. You guys, this thing will not come up. I don't know why it won't go up the freaking. I don't even want to. Didn't even want to show you guys what that thing looked like on the camera. That was the nastiest looking thing. It was like some type of froggy lizard thing, and I'm like, how did that get in the garage? Well, sometimes we'll have like creatures. We have like sticky mats over there. Sometimes they're able to get past it, but oh my god. Ugh. Okay, one thing I did get was this shelf liner, and I want to lay this out on the shelf so that way if any water spills, it won't go to the row directly below it. And I got this from Home Depot, I believe. All right, everything is looking very nice and clean. I hung up some of my gloves on these what are they called? Command hooks, except for one did not make it. So yeah, these command hooks are very hit or miss, so just trying to do the best that I can with what I got. Okay, I didn't show this because my hands were wet, but I just went ahead and cleaned off all of the plant tags that I had from last year that were dirty. They were super rusty, so I just took a little bit of Barkeeper's Friend and just wiped everything down. They looked like this at first. This actually looks better because I wiped it down, but there's just a bunch of like darkness everywhere, so I just took a little bit of Barkeeper's Friend and a microfiber towel, and all of the fronts are nice and clean. So they are all ready to go for the next growing season.